Alright guys, here we go. 17-18 Upper Deck Ice. 5-boxer number 1. Going through the team owners on the ice, we got Anaheim, Penzito. Arizona going to Davey. Boston going to Chris. Buffalo, Midu. Calgary, Archie. Carolina, J-Tac. Chicago, Steve-O. Colorado, J-Tac. Columbus Bucks. Dallas Pens. Detroit going to Peter. Florida going to Kaput. Kings, RBC. Minnesota, London. MTL, Stickman. Devils, Bucks. Nash, London. Isles, Peter. Range, Kostler. Ottawa, London. Philly, Merv. Pittsburgh, Matty C. Sharks going to Benini. Blues going to Therm. Tampa Bay going to Stickman. Nicky D from the Bronx. Toronto, Rogalon the Klingon. Vancouver, Kentaro Sato. Capital, Stickman. Winnipeg going to Jarek. Vegas going to Benini. Benini, Torto, Benini. No one listens to Pens. Hey, Pens is going to work for the... Pens has been helping the CDC, so... Alright, we got a roll for the boxes. 11 and 12 is a re-roll. 11. 5. 3. 6. 8. 7. So next will be 1, 2, 4, 9, and 10. For tomorrow. All right, superb scripts. Here we go. Good luck, rock and roll. Oops. All right, guys, what do we got coming out? Oh, releasing in 2018. Oh, I can't wait to see that stuff. Oh, yeah. SBF 2018 tomorrow, guys. Good luck. Thank you, guys. Sub-Zero rookie, Pierre-Luc Dubois. Yeah, this camera's better. Nice one for CBJ. Nothing and nothing. Uh-oh, here we go. We have a sachet. And it is a rookie signatures Exquiz 199 Christian the Fish Fisher for Arizona. Nice hit for Vancouver there. I'm just assuming Vancouver hits or something. Yeah, you guys don't know that he got traded. I'm on the insider track. Speaking of Vancouver, we got Griffin Molino. $12.99, one of Jimmy Dean's favorite players. Griffin Molino, rookie premier. For the Couv. Future Hall of Famer. And Christian the Fish Fisher, $4.99. Rookie premier. Nothing and nothing. We got Lucas Wallmark, $9.99 rookie premier for the Canes. I think we have a sachet. Do not think it's placebo. Sachet, but no auto on the sachet. Tage Thomas, Exquiz, rookie, $2.75, STL. All right. And nothing to nothing. And we got a nice Sub-Zero, Jamie Benn. I love the Sub-Zeros, man. I don't know why I like these so much. I just think they're cool. Rookie subs in these. SZ45. I forgot if there's any. ETC, I think he just went to the pawn shop. Or the Goodwill. Look for some collectibles. And from Staten Island, rookie Exquiz Auto, Sonny Milano from Staten Island. Part of Caputo's crew. There we go. There you go, Sonny. He might be out collecting with gambling debts with Caputo. We got Ian McCoshen, $9.99, Florida Panthers. Rookie premier. Oh, I thought that said to 99. We'll take this, though. Ice Premier rookie, number to 149 for the Canucks, Brock the Beast Besser. $149. Callie Rosen, rookie premier, $4.99 TOR. And final pack. See what we got. We do have a sachet, and I do not think it's placebo. It is not placebo. And we got a black Exquiz base 149 PK Subban for Nash. I don't know. His stats don't look that great this year. Not that he ever had major ones, but it seems like this is the lowest. All right, guys. And we got a nice one. Sub-Zero, Marc-Andre Fleury. Vegas Knights. Very cool. And nothing and nothing. We have a sachet. Looks like some ink back there. It is Rage in the Tage Thompson, Rookie Exquiz Auto 199 for STL again. Maxime Lagacé, Vegas Knights, Rookie Premier 999 for LV. Is that how you say it, Lagacé? Lagacé, Lagacé, Lee Gacy, hanging out with John Wayne. John Wayne Gacy. And we got a rookie sub, Travis Sanheim for the Fly. Legacy. Mr. Legacy. Rookie Premier, Samuel blazing it up, $4.99. Little blaze action. STL again. What's up with the Blues, dude? We got a Rookie Premier jersey, Alex Formenton for Ottawa Senators. Allure tonight's from a Fresh Master, guys. So that 10-box case of Allure is coming out from a Fresh Master tonight. Just as a reminder. And Sub-Zero, Pecorine. Pekka don't want to focus. And we got a rookie auto, Denis Gurianov, $2.99, Dallas Stars. Going to Penzito. Clear cut. Clear cuts from a Fresh Master too, guys. And Rookie Premier $9.99, Nicholas Cardelis. Anaheim, Penzito. And rookie premieres, $4.99. Jakub Forsbacka Carlson. Jakub Chewbacca Carlson. Boston Brew. Oops, forgot to get these other two out first. And rookie premiere, $12.99. Oscar Fantenberg. His ancestors were the first one to make a certain type of soda. And we got a Relic Rookie Jumbo, $1.99. Clayton Keller for the Coyotes. And here we go. Final box. The other 5 boxes will be tomorrow. Also, 18-19 5-boxer. The other half of the enter tomorrow for ISO 18-19 ice, 17-18, 18-19 SBA inner case, Allure 10-box case, Trilogy 10-box case tomorrow. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Sub-Zero, Alex Ovechkin. Series 2 case tomorrow as well. Oh, nice one. Sick. We got a filthy Sebastian Aho rookie auto. $2.99. Love Sebastian Aho. Nice hit for the Canes. And for the Canes again, Portolarski. Andrew, $12.99, rookie premiere. Sub-Zero rookie, Jake DeBrusk. Boston Brewski. No Sub-Zero, or no Superb Script. No Fat Patch Auto yet. Second half might be off the charts. Tim Heed, $12.99, rookie premiere for SJ. And we got a rookie relic jumbos. Colin White, Senators, $1.99. Alright guys, that's it. Sorry for those who had a tough break in ice. The other 5 boxes will be tomorrow for 17-18. Also 18-19 on the other 5 boxes for tomorrow. Alright guys, appreciate it. Clear Cut's almost sold out, along with a lot of the others, so we're getting close on everything. Again, sorry for those who had a tough break. Hopefully, I can go in and crush it for you on something. All right, thank you guys.